Hi guys, welcome to Asshole. I'm your host Omkar. I believe you enjoyed our first episode that was on 15th August. Just because of you, we are already 1100 views and more than 80 subscribers richer on YouTube. Thank you very much for your love and support. Please keep it flowing. I mean your love. We are right outside Midibai College and we have Riya.
Kamakshi.
Riya and Kamakshi. What hot names, yeah. Okay, what cute names, yeah. Come on, guys. Where do all men and women have curly hair?
Have. Okay. On the head.
You have curly hair? Do I have? I hardly have hair. Yeah, come on. He doesn't have curly hair. They don't have curly hair.
I don't know.
Why don't you know? All of the men and women have curly hair over there.
Yeah, Maya. Mine goes to the right answer, but then
So what is the right answer?
I don't know.
I want the right answer from you right now.
I seriously don't know this. Pubic hair. I choose not to answer that.
That you can't choose.
Democracy.
What?
The right to choose. I choose not to answer it.
No, in the kingdom of asshole there is no such right. अब आया ऊट पहाड़ के नीचे. It's not what you're thinking about.
I'm not saying that, okay? I'm not saying the answer.
Saying what? Saying what?
I'm not saying that. Okay. It's not necessary that, okay.
Where is that okay? Okay.
Everyone has
But
curly hair.
pubes are not the answer.
What is the answer?
Africa.
Oh, that way. Right. But it's
Oh, so she was not going that way. She took a right, then a left, then somewhere else she took a U-turn. Is Africa.
no way.
No.
way,
Let people see that. Tell me one thing. Where do all of the men and women have curly hair? Oh, your corrupt mind.
Pubes, yeah. What else?
Where do both men and women have curly hair?
Armpits.
No.
I don't
You
know.
have to answer.
But I don't know the answer. Like
I know you
can-
know. I know you know. I know what you're thinking about.
Okay, the pubic area. Could you repeat that? The pubic area.
What's happening to the girls?
You tell me. What is
It's
the answer?
Africa. Come on.
Oh God.
What's long, that's hard, and that has come in it?
Toothpaste.
I like the way you think, but it's not the answer. I don't know what you have been doing with the toothpaste, but
To laugh like that. Oh shit. Dick.
I am not, but it's not the answer.
I don't know.
You know what? मेरे यहाँ पे टैटू है, यहाँ पे टैटू है और यहाँ पे टैटू है, यहाँ पे नहीं है. I know you know. Tell me. She knows the answer.
Word.
Long, hard, and corrupt by. I really don't know. Long, hard, and whatever.
She really don't know, okay? What is it that's long, that's hard, and that has come in it? I am so loving it.
You're telling me a beautiful corrupt mind. Look at your questions right now.
We are assholes, and we are proud assholes. Come on.
A rubber tree.
Come on. But what?
A rubber tree. Like it is long, it is hard, but yeah, obviously then it doesn't have cum in it.
A ball pen probably.
No. How can a pen?
What's the answer?
But it's not a come on type.
सब कुछ मेरे को ही बताना पड़ेगा इन लोग को. कैसा ना?
I'm wiser now. Yeah, right.
She is wiser now. उसको कार पे लगाते हैं अभी.
I am speechless now. Okay.
Okay.
Tree branches.
They don't have come.
The dick has come in it.
Seriously, dude, your girlfriend's such a corrupt mind. What can it? Think.
Penis.
Take a random guess.
Cucumber.
Oh my goodness! You got the answer.
I did. Thank you.
It's cucumber. How do you spell cucumber? C-U-M-B-E-R.
I told it. I told it first. Ooh.
It's cucumber. It's long, it's hard, and that has C-U-C-U-M in it. Hi guys, I hope you enjoyed this episode of I'm Cutest. Did you like the cuties? Well, don't forget to watch, like, share and subscribe to Asshole, alright? And use our hashtags Being Asshole and I Am an Asshole. Well, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. We'll see you next Friday. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.